Most people think succulents are just a trendy decor choice. The truth is, their resilience and low-maintenance nature make them perfect for sustainable living. Succulents are uniquely adapted to dry climates and poor soil. They store water in their thick, fleshy leaves. This allows them to survive droughts and infrequent watering. There are thousands of succulent species. They range from the familiar jade plant to the exotic zebra cactus. Each has its own charm and care requirements. Light is crucial for succulents. These sun-loving plants need bright, indirect sunlight to thrive. Direct, harsh sunlight can scorch their leaves. Too little light and they become leggy and pale. A south-facing window is ideal, but if that's not possible, consider using a grow light. Make sure to adjust the position so they receive light evenly. Watering succulents can be tricky. Overwatering is the most common mistake. Succulents prefer their soil to dry out completely between waterings. A good rule of thumb is to water only when the soil is bone dry. Check by sticking your finger into the soil up to 2 inches. If it feels dry, it's time to water. When you do water, drench the soil thoroughly. Let excess water drain out completely. Avoid letting them sit in water, as this leads to root rot. Soil choice matters too. Standard potting soil retains too much moisture for succulents. A specially formulated cactus mix is ideal. It allows for better drainage and airflow. You can also make your own mix. Combine 2 parts sand or perlite with 1 part potting soil. This will ensure quick drying after watering. Succulents do not require frequent fertilization. Once a month during the growing season is enough. Use a diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer. Avoid fertilizing in the winter months when growth slows down. Repotting is an occasional necessity. The best sign is when the plant outgrows its container or the soil looks compacted. Choose a pot slightly larger than the current one. Ensure it has drainage holes. Gently remove the succulent from its old pot. Tease out any tightly wound roots. Place it in the new container with fresh soil. This fresh start promotes healthy growth. Pests are rare but can occur. Common offenders include mealybugs and spider mites. Treat affected plants with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Regularly check your succulents for signs of pests. Succulents also propagate easily. Leaf propagation is a popular method. Gently twist off a leaf from the stem. Let it dry for a few days until the end calluses. Place the calloused end on top of the soil. Mist the soil with water occasionally. In a few weeks, you will see roots and new leaves forming. Succulents come in myriad shapes, sizes, and colors. They truly offer something for everyone. Whether in a pot on a windowsill or as part of an outdoor garden, they bring beauty and resilience to any space. By understanding their simple needs, you can create a thriving succulent tea collection. These plants are not only beautiful, but sustainable choices for busy lifestyles. Just remember, the key to succulent success lies in balancing light, water, and soil. With these elements in harmony, your succulents will thrive for years to come. Succulents are more than a design trend. They are a testament to nature's incredible adaptability and beauty.